Hi there, students. So I had a question about what's the difference between guileless and gullible. So let's look at these two words. They're both adjectives. I think somebody who is gullible is easily deceived. They're easily tricked. They want to believe everything that other people say. Yeah? So, only I would be gullible enough to buy this product that just doesn't work. So gullible has the idea of easy to trick, easy to believe easily, to be credulous. Guileless means honest, not able to trick, not able to deceive. Yep, so if somebody is guileless, they are not able to trick you. Yep, they just don't have any trickery or deceit in their soul. So babies are guileless, but when they get to about 3 years old, they start to learn a little bit of guile. So guile talks about trickery, and this is the ability to trick people, or not having the ability to trick people. So somebody who is gullible believes everything you tell them. Somebody who's guileless is sincere. They tell you exactly the truth without any trickery, without any ulterior motive, without any plan. Now, if you look at it, normally people who are guileless are gullible as well. Because if you're guileless, you don't have a bone of trickery in your body. And you don't understand the concept of being tricky, or not being completely honest. And therefore, if you're guileless, you probably believe that everyone else is exactly like you, and everyone else tells the exact truth, and therefore you are most probably gullible as well. So if you're gullible, you believe things. You believe everybody is honest. You believe that everyone is guileless and nobody's going to trick you, and therefore you believe everything people say. I think guileless, ingenuous, sincere, gullible, credulous, somebody who always believes what they say, somebody who's too willing to believe other people. Okay, so if you're gullible, you're easily duped, you're easily gulled, to trick. So you are naive, you're very trusting and innocent. Notice if you're guileless, you're also innocent and naive. Gullible, unsuspecting, unsophisticated, born yesterday, wet behind the ears. You're not sophisticated and worldly, you're not suspicious. Whereas if you're guileless, you're not going to trick anybody. You are sincere, you're straightforward, you're artless. She's such a guileless person that I had to believe her. Guileless, open, genuine, frank, innocent, straightforward, naive, candid, sincere, honest, truthful, upfront, unsophisticated again, because these two go together. I suppose I could explain something to somebody guilelessly, even though I'm not necessarily a gullible person. But normally these two characteristics go together. They go hand in hand. Okay, so gullible, easily persuaded to believe something. It's easy to persuade gullible people to spend their money. Guileless, without deception. Not with a trick in it, no hidden hook or barb behind it. Ingenuous, honest, open, naive, sincere. Yeah, guileless, innocent and naive, a guileless smile, a guileless infant, gullible, easily cheated. Yeah, gullible tourists will buy just about anything if you tell them it's typical of the region. Okay, so gullible, too easily tricked, too trusting. Yeah, guileless. They behave openly, truthfully. They don't try to deceive people. Okay, so what about the formality? Gullible. I think gullible I'm going to give a 5.5 in formality, use anywhere. I think guileless, I think I'm going to give a 6 in formality. I'm not sure I would use guileless informally. Yeah, use guileless in a semi-formal conversation and above. And then as to origin, so gullible comes from a Middle English word gull, meaning a newly hatched bird. Yeah, so very innocent. And probably that comes from an Old Norse word, gulra, the colour of the feathers on a newly born bird. Yeah, so somebody who's gullible, they believe things. Yeah, and then guileless comes from guile, okay, which talks about honesty. This comes from something that is free from guilt. Okay, something that is transparent, sincere and straightforward. From Anglo-Norman, Gilles, or Old French Gil, deception, which comes from Proto-Germanic willa, meaning to turn or to bend. Yeah, think about the wiles. Yeah, a wily fox. Okay, so gullible, believes everything you tell them. Guileless, never tries to trick you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gullible and guileless.